I sat down with Lisa's parents, Deborah Bradley and Jeremy Irwin, to hear directly from them what happened in this Justice exclusive. Here's what they had to say.
Me and my neighbor were out front talking, and the boys were in Maria. She has a 4-year-old daughter, was in their bedroom with them, and they have a TV in there and bunk beds and stuff. They were watching some sort of fairy tale movie, and I mean everything was pretty normal. I mean Jeremy never works nights and never works overnight, certainly. So
and this is like the first time that you worked an overnight?
Yeah, this is the first time I've ever not been home at night. So.
But that night, who went to bed first, Debbie?
Lisa.
Lisa?
I put the boys to bed, and then I went to sleep.
The neighbor was gone when you went to sleep? Okay, and you think that was about 10:30?
Yeah.
Were the lights on or off when you went to bed?
I turned them all off.
Okay, and was the front door locked or unlocked?
I don't remember. Typically I lock it. I mean, I left the computer room window open, and
so the computer room is in the front of the house, and
That's right.
did I can't imagine the pain you're going through. Was there a screen on the computer window?
yeah.
Yeah.
There was.
And when he came in, and he tried to shut the window, because we almost never, except for maybe our bedroom, which is really far off the ground, and maybe twice or every once in a while we'll leave the boys' window cracked so they for them so they don't get hot in the summer. But he knew that that. I mean, I'm sure there's been a couple times we've left it open, but it's not enough to where you walk by it and it's a normal thing at 4 o'clock in the morning.
What do you mean when you say he knew?
Whenever he came in from work. I mean,
What time did he normally come home, Jeremy?
About 5
in the evening.
In the evening, yeah.
But this night, you were the last one to go to bed. You turned the lights out. There was a screen in the window, but the window was open.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the next thing that you remember?
Him coming in the bedroom. I didn't know what time it was until he later on had said it, because I didn't check, but he came in and he said, why are all the lights on? Why is the screen popped out of the window? Part of the corner of it was popped out or something. And I was, I got up and I don't know what you're talking about. My son was sleeping with me, and sometimes, I like to. My kids have always, when they're younger, little, slept in bed with me, so I like to do that when I can. And he asked why Michael was there, and I was like, he's sleeping next to me, and I guess with everything he was saying out loud to me, he thought, wait a minute, Lisa's bedroom door's open, and we always close it when she goes to sleep at night. And he ran back and checked, and he came in the room and he said, where's Lisa? Where's she at? And I said, she's in her crib. What do you, and he says she's not there. And we just got up and started screaming for her and looking everywhere, and she wasn't there.
She's 10 months old. Lisa's 10 months old.
She'll be 11 months old on the 11th. Oh. Her birthday's next month.